It is really coming down here in Boston, Massachusetts, USA. So happy Sunday, you guys. Almost nighttime. That's Mary Lee, my daughter. So just figured I'd show you all this crazy thunderstorm. Whew, good Lord. Listen to that. Thunder and lightning. Sunday afternoon, August 23rd, 2020. So how are all of you this Sunday afternoon? Drop me some comments. What's it doing for weather where you are in the world? It's about 70 degrees Fahrenheit here, maybe 65 to 70 Fahrenheit. I know most places in the world use Celsius, so you have to translate that. But it's about 65 to 70 Fahrenheit here. Boston, Mass, USA.